So let's look at how to install Node, and let's get our hands dirty by writing some code in Node. Right? Like to install Node.js, go to the nodejs.org download page and download the installable for Windows or Mac based on the machine that you are using. So once you have downloaded, go to a command prompt and check the version of Node which you have installed. Node space -v will tell you the version of Node which you have installed. You can also use the Node CLI by typing the word Node on the command prompt to enter into the CLI tool. You can do some basic programs here like this. See, you can do any basic program here, 1 plus 1, right? So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code for this course here. You can choose to use